Okay, okay. So one more thing. These are not very curly hair. Okay, so I have this very weird. Like here they are straight, and from down they are wavy. So this is for you girls who have this kind of hair. Okay. Hi guys, I'm Vishwaja, and if you're new to my channel, I am a UX designer. I also create content on Instagram. I work at a startup full time as a UX designer, but I handle a lot of things from packaging to every like software interfaces and everything that requires creativity. So apart from that, I did my first ever hair consultation, that is curly hair consultation we can say, because I used to have this very puffy hair and I used to like feel like not a lot confident, so I used to go and straighten it up, blow dry it straight. And a lot of people said that you have this very nice wavy structure, so I have to look into this. I decided to just book it right away, so I did it from Alchemist Beauty. I'll link everything in the caption below. Let's start into it. I'll just give you an overview because obviously that consultation has everything like what's your hair type, what suits you, and what doesn't suit you. They also give you a demonstration. So, what I've learned, I'll just quickly just summarize it for someone who doesn't know how this works. So basically my hair are like very wavy and they have this very curly kind of texture if you see. And if I have this habit of brushing them every day, and because when I brush them they just like get frizzy and they just look very puffy, which do not look good. So I tend to just like tie a bow or something like that. Then these baby hairs just stand like they are. Right now they are not standing up, but they just stand like they are. I have got some current in my hair, but yeah, it's very bad. I just felt like I have to get this done in my 20s because these are the years that I live, so I had to do these. And I thought like it's not waste of money. Like instead of spending money on different types of shampoo and which do not actually work on my hair type, I should actually invest in something that's going to make me more confident. And yeah, that's it. That's why I just had to do this. So first they told me about different types of gels, creams that are used, and how, there are different types like coiling with your fingers, and some are like with your comb, and some are just like you do scrunch and all of that. So my first concern was like I go to office, so I don't have a lot of time to do all this styling and all of that, and I don't like a lot of heat. I have this Make Me Bold ka 3-in-1 brush dryer or something, but it's for straightening. Okay, so you can straighten your hair with that. That's not of use if I want to keep them curly and all of that. Then here are some steps. Okay, so first you have to shampoo. So I'm going to use my Matrix shampoo because I have that already. It was a newly purchased bottle. So first you have to shampoo. If you have something, if you want something that is for curly hair, you can purchase it. That is Fix My Curls, Curlsco, and I have used True Frog, but that was not a lot suitable for my hair, and I never got this kind of curls. So yeah. So right now I'm going to use Matrix ka shampoo. I need a mask. Shigi suggested me something from Fix My Curls. Then I'm going to, so I have this habit of like detangling right every day. Now I do not have to do that. It's really weird to like hear this that you do not have to detangle them like for 3 days. And I was really concerned like how do we do this, because I've never done like like how do we not comb our hair every day? It's really weird, but you have to do that. You do not have to comb them. A little like knots would be formed, but you have to wash your hairs 2 times a week and you will remove them the third day, so it's okay. Okay, so when you put the mask, you have to put it for 5 minutes to 6 minutes, and that time you have to detangle your hair when they are like wet and you have put that mask on. Then after 5 to 7 minutes, you can rinse it off. So once you have this very dripping wet hair, like the water is coming out of it, then you have to use the clips. You have to take this crown up, then you have to like clip it up. I will not do it right now because they are style, but you have to like clip it up over here, the first this part, then you'll have the smaller sections over here. You will take small sections. Like I have these big chunks, okay, not a lot, but yeah, I have these chunks, so they'll be formed once you use this brush. So right now I have this brush, but I think she told me that once you are like pro and all of that, you can use the other brush which has this zigzag line at the edge. So right now I have this brush. I'll use this for detangling as well, and for the, what we can say, styling part as well. So you have to like comb them by taking these small parts, and then okay, so before combing them you have to apply this, sorry for the mistake, okay, I'll just review it. So first you shampoo, then you put a mask, you detangle them, then you have this dripping wet hair, then you come over here, then you just apply this cream, strong hold curl cream. I have got this from Curl Co. You'll apply this, okay, all over the hair from mid length to end. Then once you have applied it, you will take this part and you'll just put the clip over here. Then you'll take these small parts, you will comb it, and then just like do this and then crunch over here, okay. Then you have to do it for every part over here, from here, and then once you like remove this clip, then you'll have to, I have long hair, so I'll have to like take these sideways, but you can do is upwards. You have to like comb it. While you comb, it removes the frizz. That is what she said. And then you'll just again crunch it and leave it. So that's it. And if you want the strong hold of your curls, you can apply this hydrating curl gel. I've not, like, she used it on my hair, but I've not personally used it. Like, I'll review it after I use it, obviously. So you'll apply this gel, so it gives you this what we can say, defined curls stuff, okay. And I guess it's done. She used this diffuser to dry out, and it gives a very good defined hair, like curls, she said. But I don't have that, so I'm going to just air dry it mostly, and we'll see how it is going to be. I'm touching my hair so much, but I love it. Then I also purchased these scrunchies. So we have to sleep with these scrunchies. So you have to tie this up like a pineapple, and then you sleep, and you have to use this satin pillow cover to protect your hairs. All of this was really costly. I bought it, but it's okay, I need it. So you have to like sleep on these things, and it will keep your hair strong, healthy. You have to oil your hair one day before you are going to wash it. So don't like make it for 7 days. Don't wait. After 3 days you have to wash your hair, and once you have done everything, like your gel is put on, you have dried it or something, you will add this curl, like any serum. I have bought this Curl Co serum, but I also have this L'Oreal ka serum. You can apply it, and then done. I'll show you my hair. Like, I'll add some pictures of my back hairs. They look so cool. I love it. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I love it. I'll try to keep them like this. Like, I think like curly hair suit me. I don't know. They're messy, but they are so me, because I have got this Maggie like hair since my childhood, which I don't think I've done from a long time. This is like after so long I got these curly hairs, because I used to blow dry it and straighten it up. These are my straightened blow dried hair, and I love these as well. But I think like original texture is original texture, right? So thank you, Alchemic Beauty, again. I loved how you explained everything, and yeah, I hope this video helps. I've not shown any like demonstration and all of that, but you can find a lot of videos which actually show how you do all this stuff, or you can book your own consultation call. So okay, I had fun shooting this video. I did this after so long. Even if this is not a design video, I really loved it. I loved yapping over here. So stay tuned, and I have something very big coming up. It's going to be a lot of vlogging thing, and I just hope that I don't like stop vlogging. Okay, bye bye.